Okay, they want the snaps. I think I'm toxic. Ball having the man behind the game and the man the game's inspired from. Everyone wants to get the shot. Thank you. Hi everybody, welcome. It's great to have you here with us. And thank you for taking time out for being here with us. I would like to call upon two ladies in here from, and I'd like to call them and ask them to please handle the small token of appreciation. They're coming in from Sanchita from Reliance Digital Express, and she is accompanied by Rachna. Two ladies here, and they can't keep their eyes off. And thank you. Okay, I'll take that off. So we'll ask you to take your seats. Sir, please take your seats. Yes, sure. And we'll move on to the crux of the matter, and that is the house is open to the media. I have a very humble request. Please state your name and the organization before you put your question forward, and both the children here with us to take the evening forward.
Many times a day before I go to office.
Hi guys, how are you?
Sure, please. 1 year old.
I have just been shown the cutest video in the world. I wish I could play this on the big screen. What's her name?
Veer.
Huh?
He's Veer.
Vihil.
Veer.
Okay, this is Vihil. How old is he?
1.5.
He's 1.5 years old and he has already learned how to say bang bang. I'm going to put this on the mic.
Bang bang. Bang bang.
Not learned much else, but he learned that.
Bang bang. Bang bang.
मतलब कि जो हमने किया है सब सही जा रहा है.
Absolutely.
Please raise your hand and we'll pass the mic on to you. We have our team from...
Well, first of all, I would like to say that I've played this game and it's just like the film. I thought it was going to be very easy. Turned out to be very difficult. But I enjoyed it so much. I've enjoyed this journey, and just like that, the film, I've enjoyed playing the game as well. Very entertaining and very challenging. You must all try it. I'm sure all the game lovers out there are going to love this one. और आप लोगों को कुछ पूछना है या मैं जाऊं?
Hi Ritik.
Hi.
Hi, Pia from CM.
Are you asking me questions just because you don't want me to go?
No, I
you have a question?
Yes, I have
Proper
questions. Yes. Okay, firstly, it's very interesting what you've been doing on Twitter. Priyanka Chopra is actually,
Yeah, she's taken my bang bang there and then a handstand with 3 push-ups.
Exactly.
Give it up for Priyanka Chopra. Man, that girl can do anything. I should have given her a bigger day.
That's exactly what she said. But who all are you going to challenge, and what are you going to do till the 2nd of October? What can we look forward to in the challenge?
What am I going to do in the film? On the 2nd of October?
Till the 2nd, what all challenges and who all are you going to throw the
I don't know, yeah. I just, they're all my friends. And I was, we were actually talking, Sid and I were talking, and I was talking about, how many moments we've had, how many bang bang moments we've had throughout this film. All the bang bang moments right from the script stage. Jab bhi, we had a challenging scene to make, and we were not happy with it, and we kept saying that, it's not a bang bang moment, man. It's got to be that bang bang moment, that bang bang dare became, the bang bang challenge became like a phrase that we used throughout the film. So I said, why not use this friends because we've been through so many challenges. Why be alone in it? So I'm going to make my friends' lives also a little bit more challenging and difficult. Let's see if they're up to it.
Okay.
But yeah,
What if somebody throws it back at you? Would you be...
by all means, I've gone through so much, so many challenges, and I can face anything now.
Right, okay. Now we all know that, Bang Bang is an adaptation of Night and Day. How difficult is it to live up to the
You're
original?
the only one who has question. Why don't you come and sit over there with me?
I would love to, but... Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so how difficult or how much pressure do you feel reprising the role of Tom Cruise?
I am not reprising the role of Tom Cruise actually. I am playing Rajveer, who is an entirely new character. And in fact, he's not even new to a discovery actually, because I realized that this is the first film in which I have not had to prep even one single second for a character. और वो इसलिए क्योंकि Rajveer is me. I have just played myself in the film completely. So I hope you all like Rajveer because that was me. If you don't like him, that means something wrong.
Right, but it is a Hollywood adaptation. So how much pressure do you feel to probably live up to, the original or, the success of the original?
Better. This is better. It's always better. Why will I do something where I think I can't do something, more? Also, it's not the same film. If you did not know that it was an adaptation, while seeing Bang Bang, you would not even, it would not even occur to you that it's, the germ was from Night and Day. So it's an entirely different film.
ऋतिक ट्विटर पे आपने ऋतिक straight here yeah
There, I can see that.
Hi. Okay, ट्विटर पे आपने बहुतों को चैलेंज किया है और लोगों ने रिस्पांस भी दिया है बट शाहरुख का अभी तक कुछ नहीं आया तो क्या उसके बाद कुछ आपने सोचा है उसके बारे में उनका कोई फोन पे बात हुई इस चैलेंज के बारे में या फिर उनका वेट करने वाले हैं उनको विनर बनाया जाएगा
शाहरुख ने इस दौर को इतने सीरियसली वो ले चुके हैं इसको कि he is actually prepping for it. तो उनका prep इस वक्त जारी है while he is traveling. And very soon we'll get to see him being the Bang Bang winner.
Hi, Ritik.
Little down.
Ritik, hi. This is Latika from 9XM.
Hi, Latika.
It was just, do you think that launching game is like one of the best promotional strategy to connect well with your audience?
क्या करो? What do you think?
I'm asking
It
you.
is a game. It is something that consumers use. It is a good game, and it is associated with Bang Bang. That is why I'm here. What else?
So how well do you think that it's going to connect good with your audience so that they go and watch your movie like after playing the game that you have?
जैसा कि मैंने कहा, it's a good game. Yeah. It's a good game, and it's anything that creates more awareness. The job of marketing is to create awareness in a very entertaining way. So what better than a game that they can actually spend time playing and stimulating their minds, and at the same time getting more and more aware that Bang Bang is coming.
हाय ऋतिक किमजाल फ्रॉम E24 आपकी और कटरीना की जोड़ी को काफ़ी सराहा जा रहा है आफ्टर जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा सो विच वन डू यू लाइक मीन अगेंस्ट करीना दिस वन और कटरीना दिस वन और द रोल यू प्लेड इन ZNMD which chemistry do you
Don't compare. That world was another beautiful world that was created by the vision of the director. This vision is of another mind, and it is, if not more beautiful, it's just as beautiful.
Hi Ritik, this is Swagata from Soundbox. It's a music magazine. So obviously games, when it comes to games, music plays an important role. So how do you think Bang Bang's music has been employed in this game? and what role does it plays?
Well, I think they have used I think maybe you will answer that much better.
Yeah, we have some clippings of the music, and obviously used at the right times of the game to get the effect and get the momentum in it.
So do we have something like dance off as well?
Not yet, but in future updates you will have.
Okay, thank you.
हाय ऋतिक, शिखा ये फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड नजर। ऋतिक, हमेशा हम आपको देखते हैं कि प्रमोशंस बहुत जोर शोर से होते हैं, क्रिश के भी बहुत पहले से होने शुरू हो गए थे। आपको नहीं लगता बहुत लेट हो गए हैं, मतलब प्रमोशंस बहुत लेट शुरू हुए हैं, तो ये कोई हार्म नहीं करेगी फिल्म को, ऐसा लगता है आपको?
देखेंगे 2 अक्टूबर को।
तो आपको लगता है प्रमोशंस कम भी है लेकिन फिल्म अगर अच्छी हो तो चल जाएगी?
आपको पता है ना कि 2 अक्टूबर को आ रही है?
जी बिल्कुल,
सबको पता है, हो गई प्रमोशन।
ओके ऋतिक, फिल्म के साथ आपकी फिल्म के साथ हैदर भी रिलीज हो रही है, आपको नहीं लगता कि डिवाइड हो जाएंगी ऑडियंस, ऐसा कुछ आपको लग रहा है?
मैं फ्यूचर देख नहीं सकता हूँ, देखेंगे जो होगा।
आप कितने रेडी हैं? अगर आपको कोई चैलेंज दिया जाए तो क्या करने के आप तैयार हैं?
अभी इस वक्त राइट है। What challenge you want me to do?
Excuse me.
Push-ups. You want me to do push-ups? Dance. What is that? That's not dirt. Dancing is not a dirt. You know I can dance. Wait, you can't do it. You ask me to do something I'm not done. No? I can come there and give you a good hug. No. You want me to dance?
No.
ये पीछा छूटेगा नहीं मेरा डांस और मेरा पीछा छूटेगा नहीं।
नहीं। ऋतिक, just take it. No.
What is my MJ move? It is something like this. ये जोक था।
Ritik, how about the one you gave the challenge to Priyanka?
हाँ क्या?
Ritik, how about the one the challenge?
Sorry about that.
Ritik,
What? Escaping? मैं तो बेटा how escaping? What is? अरे ignoring who am I? वो challenge कर रहे हैं।
Ritik,
क्यों challenge कर रहे हैं? किसको ignore कर रहा हूँ मैं?
ऋतिक, सेम चैलेंज जो आपने प्रियंका को दिया है,
हाँ उसका क्या?
आप करके दिखाइए।
मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ एक्चुअली आई कैन डू दैट। हाँ प्लीज डांस कम आई डांस विद यू।
Okay, a last question from the media, and then I bet a lot of us are wanting to see the game, and they've captured it, so I think the number of questions coming in, can you have the video please? Ladies and gentlemen, your attention on the screens right now, we captured the game, and it's on display right now. I think we can make some more noise. Come on. Okay, Ritik, you visited us here at Reliance Digital Express. How did you like the experience being here with us?
I enjoyed myself. I hope you all have enjoyed yourselves.
And
Even if I didn't dance.
one thing that you could take from here right now, what would you take right now?
Too late. Very too late.
Thank you, Ritik, for being here with us.
Hello, anytime. Very nice. Hey, I come. You talk.
Time myself down. Okay, we'll do the photo-ops and Ritik, if there's one product you could take away from here, from this store, what would it be? Something new that you'd like to take away from Reliance Visual Express. But that's not digital or an electronic product.
It looks so smart and sleek. It looks digitally. Mind-blowing.
I'm hungry. I'll do that. Okay, we'll move. Yeah?
It's okay.
Okay, and we move on to the official final photo-ops. We'll request Ritik, sir. Please, for the final photo-op. Okay, final set of photographs, and I'll request the team from Reliance Visual Express to join us on stage, please. Ritik, sir, Nitish, sir, can you have Ritik, this is the team that manages the store, a lot of them from the marketing, they all stay here. Yes. Final 10 seconds, the whole team, come this side, flank him, come this side. The tall one's back. Nitish, sir. Hey guys, I want sir in the front. I want sir in the front. I want sir in the front. All right. That is the team. And we're done? We're done? Thank you.
Well, so guys, thank you very much.
Thank you to both the CEO, sir, and Ritik Roshan for being here with us at Reliance Visual Express. And thank you.